Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x square root of x in bracket x square root x minus 4 plus 1 is equals to 0, and we have to find the value of x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6. So let's start with the today's video solution. So in the first step, I am going to divide the whole equation by x root x. So we can eliminate this. So what is left? X root x plus 1 over x root x minus 4 is equals to 0. Now I'm going to add plus 4 both sides. So the equation becomes x root x plus 1 over x root x is equals to 4. Now I'm doing squaring both sides. So x under root x plus 1 over x under root x is equals to 4 square and whole square. Here I'm going to use the very famous identity, that is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write it as x square root of x whole square plus 1 over x square root of x whole square plus 2 times of x root x times of b, that is 1 over x root x equals 16. So we can eliminate this, and the square root of x root x is x square times root, this square root eliminates with this, so x. So we can call it as x cube. So x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 2 is equals to 16. So I'm going to subtract 2 both sides. The value of x cube plus 1 over x cube is equals to 14. Now again I'm doing squaring both sides. And again I'm using the same as identity. So x cube square plus 1 over x cube square plus 2 times of x cube times 1 over x cube is equals to 14 square is 196. So we can eliminate this, and here we can use the exponent rule, that is x power m power n is equals to x power m n. So x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 plus 2 is equals to 196. So if I'll subtract 2 from both sides, so x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 is equals to 194. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.